You have probably seen the name Runwal across Mumbai because they have been building homes that people love to live in for more than 40 years now. From Runwal Greens, Runwal Bliss to 7 Mahalakshmi, they are known for designing homes which have the best architecture, open spaces and lavish lifestyle. And now in 2025, they are coming to the exact location from where they started in 1978, which is Chembur. Let's talk about the location of the project. First of all, since it's Chembur and Collector Colony, the location is going to give you seamless connectivity throughout and across. From here, your BKC connector is going to be just 10 minutes, so you can connect to BKC. All major companies are located there, everybody knows about that. Other than that, your Eastern Freeway is also accessible in just 5 to 7 minutes from here. You can also access Atal Setu, and from there you can go to Navi Mumbai and you can go for weekends to chill with your family or to all the destinations. If you want, you can also take the Vashi Bridge, which is again just 10 minutes from here. It is very centrally located. Also, the upcoming monorail, which would be operational in the next 2 to 3 months, would be just 5 to 7 minutes from here, which would be connecting you from Chembur to DN Nagar. So people who have offices, whether in South Bombay, whether in Central Bombay, or they have offices located in Navi Mumbai, they can travel everywhere because different types of transport options are available to you, and it is accessible in just 5 to 7 minutes. Also, your Navi Mumbai International Airport, which is now operational, you can connect that in just 20 to 25 minutes, maximum 30 minutes from here. Now let's talk about the project. Spread across 2.6 acres, you will be getting 2 towers of 25-story. Ample amount of parking is going to be there, and also you have all the world-class amenities, whether it is wellness or sports amenities, spread across 40,000 square feet, that too on the podium and also on the rooftop. This project offers you 2.5 and 3 BHK configurations. The square feet would be ranging, the sizes would be ranging from 750 to around 1300 square feet. If you go for a jodi of around 2 plus 2, 4 BHK, then you can get of around 2100 to 2200 square feet. So whether it is a small family or it's a joint family, you can carve out a portion of Runwal's living experience right here in Chembur. Also, every apartment here would be coming with a deck, and you have 3 sides open panoramic unobstructed view. This is a very green area, lush greenery is found around this location, so you don't have big towers because of the height restrictions. That's the best part about the project. So let me just summarize with the 3 USPs of this project. First of all is the connectivity, absolutely prime and supreme. Second is that the parking issue is absolutely solved here, and the third is that you will be getting world-class amenities. Imagine you have so much options to chill and hang out with your family and enjoy inside your own community. Finally, let's talk about the price. 2 BHK here is starting from 2 crore 64 lakhs, 3 BHK from 3 crore 30 lakhs, and 4 BHK from 4 crore 13 lakhs. So for booking purposes, contact us on the number given below.